Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Velux window code. To begin, simply open your Velux roof window completely. You'll then need to locate a small metal or plastic data plate, typically found on the top right-hand edge of the window sash. This plate holds the essential product identification code, which is crucial for various purposes. It's usually quite visible once the window is fully open. Understanding your Velux code is simpler than it seems. The code is usually a combination of letters and numbers, for example, GGLMK083059. The initial three letters tell you the window's operation and frame material, such as GGL for a center pivot pine window. The following two letters and two numbers denote the window's specific size, like MK08. Any additional numbers typically describe the glazing type and other unique features. The exact location of your Velux code can vary slightly depending on the window type. For operable skylights, you'll often find the tag on the side or bottom of the sash when it's open. If you have a fixed skylight, the tag might be on the inner frame. For older models, check under the window frame or along the edge of the glass pane. Generally, it's behind the ventilation flap. Knowing your Velux window code is incredibly important. This unique identifier is essential when you need to order replacement parts, ensuring you get the exact components for your window. It also helps you find compatible accessories, like blinds, that fit perfectly. Furthermore, the code provides crucial information for customer service inquiries and warranty claims, making sure you receive the best support for your Velux product.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.